Our brothers for Rivers State don send a strong message go give Tinubu. No be small tin o, as dem blast dis journalist tell am say if e tok say we no dey for Biafra land again, e say dem go remove im teeth o, no be small tin. As dis journalist waka enter inside market for Rivers State go dey ask pipo whether how they see whether Biafra fit come, na the man come reply o, come tell am say im dey for Biafra as im dey talk, say if dem no know make dem know am now. Say here na Biafra land from Rivers State o. Small be small thing. My people, make go look how this thing take dey happen for inside the area. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. My wonderful people, let's quickly jump into this matter. Go know how I take the share for that area. They say that our brothers for inside Rivers State don't send message go give Tinubu, tell and say since we Nnamdi Kanu say me remember say them wey dey for Rivers State dey for Biafra land. Say Biafra is already here. No be small thing o, and no be say na me talk am. I go play the video, may you watch before we come back and continue. So watch the video, may you quickly watch the video immediately before we come back and continue. A lot of story dey to hear here today.
But for you, sir, you're a Biafra.
I'm a Biafra.
And Biafra must go.
Not must. Biafra is already on their own. That's why you people are holding my brother, because you know that we have already existed.
Okay.
All right.
So that is the solution to the.
Can you move the message to Tinubu?
Yes, that's what we are doing right now.
Tell him that there's one Mr. John come to pass.
Yeah, a Biafra living in Nigeria.
Biafra in a Biafra land. I don't know what
is
this
Biafra land, sir.
This is a Biafra land.
But Ikwereman will never agree. Say this.
Who is Ikwereman? Ikwereman is a Biafra man.
Ikwereman, no, they say this is.
Ikwereman is Biafra man. I don't need to go into argument.
Is Ikwere Igbo, sir?
Is it only Igbo that is Biafra?
Yes.
No.
Akwa Ibom man said they are not Biafra.
Akwa Ibom, is it an Igbo?
He said Edo Biafra too.
Edo is Biafra now.
So the south and the southeast is the Biafra.
I don't know where you call south or southeast. I say I am in Biafra land.
South consists of Edo, Benin.
We don't have anything like south in Biafra land.
Okay.
It's so-called Nigeria government that bring that politics in Biafra land. That this is southeast, this is south. Nothing like south. We are all one.
Okay.
So
but normal Ikwereman go say he no be.
Who is Ikwereman? Ikwereman is a Biafra man.
They say they are from Edo State. They are south.
I don't know where they come from. I don't know.
So Port Harcourt is Ikwere, is Biafra.
What are you talking? There's nothing like Port Harcourt. We call it Igbocha. So nothing like Port Harcourt. Igbocha is in Biafra land. All right.
But I can bring an Igbo man to come and argue the Ikwereman man to come and have this conversation.
Maybe that will depend on individual.
Okay.
You can claim that anywhere you come from. You may see an Igbo man, he tell you he's from Nigeria. You may see an Igbo man.
But for
like
you, sir, you're a Biafra.
I'm a Biafra.
And Biafra must go.
Not must. Biafra is already on their own. That's why you people are holding my brother, because you know that we have already existed.
Okay.
All right.
So that is the solution to the.
Can you move the message to Tinubu?
Yes, that's what we are doing right now.
Tell him that there's one Mr. John. He said that Biafra have already started existing.
All right. Thank you so much for that. But Mama, what's up now?
I'm leaving my problem like this.
I someone love the talk.
So what's up, man? How you doing?
I'm cool.
How you be today?
I'm cool, my brother.
What did they sup? Come on, how was Easter holiday?
Easter holiday is not fine. It's very wrong policy.
So tell us what's going on.
The bad government, the bad Tinubu government is not good. We are not enjoying the country anymore.
So since Tinubu don't come now, you know they enjoy this administration.
Since Tinubu come into power, there is no happiness, there's no joy. There's no joy in this country. Everywhere is brutal.
Everywhere is brutal.
Yes, everywhere is just condemned. Hunger, killings, people are dying, lose their people up and down because of the bad government that come in.
What is the solution to this problem now?
The solution is for Biafra to go now.
So, are you a Biafra?
I'm a full-time Biafra man.
Why do you want Biafra to go?
We should go and struggle our own struggle.
So, this land where you did now, Biafra land?
This is Biafra land.
Port Harcourt here, na Biafra land?
This is Biafra land.
So, if Biafra go now, you go happy?
Yes.
Why Biafra?
Huh?
Why Biafra?
Because we are stronger people that can provide things on their own, that can do things well.
Other tribe in Nigeria, other citizens cannot do things well. Is that what
I don't know. I'm knowing about our own country, our own Biafra land country. That's
so Biafra must go.
Yes.
Thank you so much. God bless. What's up, my man? Tinubu, what's up? Tinubu, how you doing?
I can't talk now.
Please wear this. Okay, make I wear it myself. I be now.
Thank God, Jerry.
Tinubu, how market?
Thank God.
Are you enjoying this administration?
I enjoy because I be real APC. I support my Senate president. Our turn to rule.
You support Tinubu?
It is our father.
What will you say of this administration now?
What I see there, they say, make Nigerian youth keep praying. God will change everything.
When?
Maybe by hustling, maybe by giri.
But it was promised that early January, we are in April now, that refinery will work.
Well, we see the plan to make sure say something.
So there is hope for...
There is hope for Nigeria. So I hear say Nigerian people.
Are you enjoying this Jagaban?
I enjoy the government, but what I see there, you know, say some people they para, some people they vex. But what I try to tell my people, say they don't vex. And na good government they rule them.
Okay. Or na good government. This one na good government.
Yes, they rule them.
All right. Thank
Confirm.
You. All right. Thank you. Nigeria divide.
Well, Nigeria plenty. True. Because only one person, you know, if you control this country.
So you suppose to do Arewa and
yes.
Kapeya.
Now three people where we know for Nigeria: Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa. Make everybody go away. So
only solution, right?
Yes, but from my own understanding, I think the problem because they don't follow the leadership pattern of Goodluck and Yar'Adua. So, like I said, they follow the leadership, the pattern. Things for no be like this as in there now.
But people they cry before. Some youth go say dollar they go up, dollar they go up. Dollar don't come down now, but price of things still they very very expensive. Is it the problem now? Price don't come down now, but things dollar don't come down now, but price still they.
My brother, I don't know. I know those you know because dollar was I think 47.15 something before, but now it's above 1,000. So even if things come down and with the disturbance of this Boko Haram and all these herdsmen, I believe say I make things because the production of things may be still limited.
Because of insecurity.
Yes, insecurity exactly.
So a governmental problem.
Yes, exactly.
Is there a solution for Nigeria?
Yeah, there could be a solution if they will abide by people's voice. Because some people are bringing good contribution, good opinion, but those who were for power, maybe they know they listen to what they cry for. If they go fix hear from us, because most of them, money where people, 100 people carry, one person will carry and put for pocket, allow 99 people they cry, which is wrong now.
What people can do to hold them accountable?
My brother, I know just to know, because the same we pray. Like last 2 days, the same we pray. We don't pray. I never eat because if I say I go add my own fasting. So if I they pray, they fast. I don't know whether I'm getting know that faith them. Oh God, no, they hear my prayer. Whether I'm my own sin, I don't understand. So, I don't know.
Your man say me Tinubu come down and hand over to toTinubu.
If that one go be the best, go make this good, and which I believe to make it if you go try. I only say as the day, when people don't come, no like come down again.
Your people this morning talk saying that Biafra be the solution.
Yes, actually, because when our leader Nnamdi Kanu was agitated, he said people should control their resources. I believe if we control their resources, things not going to be like this. Because if you come for this side now, South, they control their resources. Common men go free, they get better thing, they chop. So I believe 9.
We will divide Nigeria.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, okay, I want you to share this video, please, so that other people fit still know and know wetin dey go on for inside that area. You know, don't hear them. These people still say if people are not talking for their mind, they are talking. Oh, so they wait for the right time to ask you some questions. This government, when I know why, so when I know wetin dey happen for street, when I no go still hold that man. However, share the video as we dey see you for the next update.